Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to make fake incoming calls on your phone. Making a fake incoming call is a really very easy process. Just follow these easy steps. First of all, we have to install our app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Call Assistant, and this is the actual app we are going to use. So install this fake call, prank friends or call assistant app on your phone. Once the app installed, go ahead and launch the call assistant app. And now tap on name and write here the recipient name for incoming call. And tap on number, and in this number box write here a fake number. Now tap on add voice, and here you have to record a voice for the call. So make sure to allow for call assistant to access music and audio, and then record a voice. To record your voice, tap on this microphone icon. You have to tap on the start button to start recording. Hello, this is a fake call. Once you've successfully saved, tap on done, and now tap on done again. You can tap on select theme, and from here you can select a theme for your fake incoming call. So I'm selecting the default one and then tapping on continue, and make a call after. You can select a timer. I'm selecting after 10 seconds and done. And now I'm going to wait for 10 seconds. Let's see what happens after 10 seconds. And as you can see, I received a fake call from the app. Here we can see the fake number. Now let's receive the call. Hello, this is a fake call. And as you can see, when I received the fake incoming call, I hear the voice I just record through the app. So this is how we can easily make a fake incoming call on our phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.